this Sunday at Pfeiffer Beach in Big Sur, California.
Big Sur, California.
Oh, there's the kitty cat.
Look, it was kitty.
I don't think Misha's doing very well.
Yeah, he's not. He's doing bad.
Pacing and pacing and pacing.
I know.